guys, it's your girl Tam and I'm back for another video. Today's video, I'm giving you a story time of the worst shopping experience. Another time, yes, that I bought Balenciaga trainers. This is literally a horror story. Not on Selfridge's part, because Selfridge's, I believe they did the best they could to resolve the situation. But I was just like, damn, like maybe Balenciaga's and me just don't get along. Maybe we're just not meant to be. I don't know if I need to go to the stores to buy a pair because I really want another pair. Before I get into this video and the story time, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. So this happened this year, a few months ago. I bought a pair of Balenciagas. They were in the sale. They're on Selfridges. I purchase from Selfridges quite regularly, especially during Christmas time. I've had no negative experiences with Selfridges, so why would I think anything this time? I even bought men's trainers. Okay. Usually it doesn't matter, so I buy men's and women's, but just deep that. So I bought these. You see? So the speeds are like $5.95. I bought these trainers in the sale for $3.39. It's on Selfridges, trustworthy website. Perfect. I have Selfridges Plus. That just means that I have unlimited delivery for a year. It's like a tenner. I ordered the trainers, and whenever you order an item on Selfridges, you confirm and pay for everything, and then Selfridges sends you an email to confirm a delivery slot. I think it's like an hour or two delivery slot. I forgot this, so I was like, it's paid for, it's coming. I'm so excited. I've got a great discount one and I really want these trainers. The next day comes, the whole day passes and there's no delivery. I'm like, that's strange. I go look at my emails and I'm like, oh, I forgot to confirm the delivery. Okay, no worries. I would just confirm it and it will just come the following day. The following day comes. I'm so excited. I can't even explain how excited I am to get these trainers. The delivery guy comes, hands me the box, and I fill the box. If you know Balenciagas, even though the speeds aren't heavy, the box, when you receive it, it usually has a certain weight. So I was like, this feels a bit different. But I'm so excited. I'm so consumed by excitement that even though I know the box isn't as heavy, I'm just like, oh, I'm sure it's fine. So delivery guy goes, I put the trainers down, I continue doing whatever I was doing. Half an hour passes and I'm like, right, I have time. Let me check out these trainers. Let me open this box. I'm real excited. I open the box and I see so much paper. And like the paper's like folded. So I'm assuming, oh, it's just to protect the box. In Selfridges, they put the box and then you got the shoe box inside. Cool. So I'm taking all the paper out and I'm like, oh, the shoes are underneath the paper. And I literally get like halfway and I'm like, there's no box. There's no box at all. There's nothing. I literally take everything out. I will insert a picture here and literally the box is empty. I'm like, huh? I feel disrespected. I'm like, someone packaged this box knowing they wasn't going to send anything and literally filled it with paper. And when I say paper, like this paper was like quite heavy weighted. This person had calculated like the weight of an item and replaced it with paper. I know I need to give up on Balenciagas, or I just need to not buy Balenciagas in the sale. Like maybe that's what it is. I've emptied the whole box now and there's no receipt to even say like this was the item you was meant to be expecting. There's nothing in the box. So I emailed Selfridges customer service team and I was like, I've received an empty box. Took pictures. They replied this. I'll show you guys. Thank you for contacting Selfridges. We have now heard back from our team who have confirmed that a refund of your order has been processed today. And basically will be refunded in 3 to 5 working days. I said, huh? Refund? Where's my trainers? I was expecting a delivery. And now you are issuing me a refund because I've received an empty box. What's going on? I did explain to them that I want to know like what happened to my item, like what happened to my delivery. Was I just never meant to get this delivery and just accept a refund and go about my day? Nah. So I did ask them, I was like, I'm not going to lie, I really want this product. I don't even want a refund because I've just had a great deal. This is a great deal online, and they did query like, was the box opened before you got it? And I was like, no, like this box was sealed. Now, if you've ordered from Selfridges, it has like, it's quite similar to Amazon. You know how you have to like unravel the box, basically. It's the same thing. So it was completely boxed. It was completely boxed, like nothing, there wasn't even a dent on the box. It was completely perfect. This person had calculated exactly what they were doing. They replied, I'm sorry to hear you are unhappy with your Selfridges experience. I understand this is disappointing for you. I can confirm our team is investigating the error and it appears to have been a supplier and packing error. And then they offered a £75 e-voucher, which is great. However, I really wanted these trainers. So I've gone back online and I'm like, oh, these trainers are out of stock now. I've ordered these trainers and they are out of stock completely. So I can't even just be like, okay, don't worry, I'll just buy it again because they're gone now. I emailed them back and I was like, thank you for understanding. However, can you let me know when these trainers are back in stock? Will they be restocked again? However, Selfridges had no information if they were going to be restocked. And I know with a lot of things that sell out on Selfridges, they don't really restock them unless they're like a core product. And I accepted the e-voucher, which is £75, and that's quite a lot. Like, you can do quite a bit of shopping on Selfridges with £75. But it's disappointing when you really want something. Like, I can't even explain how much I really wanted this product. Hopefully this never happens to anyone. Like I said, Selfridges was quick to rectify the situation. They were on it, they were supportive, they were communicating with me. I sent them the evidence. I've inserted the receipts in this video. Guys, that is another Balenciaga story time. I hope you liked this video. Hopefully you found it interesting. Another Balenciaga story time. Like, hopefully by the end of this year I can tell you guys a good Balenciaga story time or give you guys a positive review. If you enjoyed that video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.